Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sound effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit. And after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the audio at the bottom. This one, click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the song on the effect, this one, click on it, and in here you can see the sound effect. This is a mini sound effect from a CapCut apps. You can choose the sound effect that you want. If you wanna add a sound effect from this video, first you can download this audio, and after this you can click on the plus icon, this one, and finish. So that's how to add sound effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.